What is going on, guys? Welcome. Usually I say welcome back to the channel. That's kind of funny. My name is No Social. How you guys doing today? If you've checked me out on YouTube before, I upload gaming videos, Helldivers 2, so on and so forth. And today we are going over a free and easy alternative to your streaming needs. So I was streaming over the last few months, and I am operating on a low budget gaming laptop, and I noticed that when I was streaming, that it was very difficult for me to be able to just stream and actually enjoy me streaming and be able to stream to my friends and such. And so I was kind of just like, you know what? There's got to be a solution for being able to just stream so I can stream to my friends. And I didn't see online that there was a solution. So I thought about, well, is there a way to be able to stream video games uh, effectively on a low budget gaming PC so that I don't have to worry about frame rate. I don't have to worry about uh, am I actually capturing the video and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about any of that. And so I was just like, you know what? Let's uh, work online and let's just try to see what we can build. And so I created Tabcast, and Tabcast is the world's first browser-based gaming streaming platform. And so for those of you who have difficulty using tools like OBS or trying to stream via YouTube's streaming platform or even Twitch's, they're all great platforms. Let me just say that first and foremost. They're all great platforms. To me, it's just difficult, especially when I don't have the hardware to be able to match the resource intensive software. And that's where a browser based game streaming platform. So it's very simple. It's very easy to use, and I will show you. So this is the hero page of Tabcast.live. As you can see here, we can browse games. So we have a list of the, I guess, 10 most played competitive games currently on the market. We have Marvel Rivals, Minecraft. Minecraft's not really competitive, but a lot of people love watching other people play Minecraft. Fortnite, Counter-Strike 2, League of Legends, Valorant, Call of Duty, and so on. And then we also have other. And so now we will go into the Creator Room feature. And over here in the Creator Room, you can see we have the chat log right here. This is where you and your viewers could be able to chat with you and you with them. We have our color presets, so you can actually customize your design panel or your panel, your streaming panel. You can actually customize the color presets. And what's cool about this is that your viewers can see the specific color preset that you chose. So there's Tournament by default, Winter's Wrath, Cataclysm, Void is my favorite, Ember, SP/DR, and Mischief. Let's go over to Tournament default. We can go and create a room title. So we're going to say Friday nights with the boys. Right. And so we have our list, our game category list over here. So if I chose Marvel Rivals, it would save it in Discovery as Marvel Rivals. If I chose other, we can actually enter in the game that I will be playing. In this case, I'm going to be playing Warhammer, if I can spell it right, Warhammer Soulstorm. Right. And so there is the title, and that title will show up when viewers are browsing through the different streams that people are streaming. They'll be able to see the title of the game you're playing, as well as the room title as well. And so over here we have the audio capture for in-game, and then the mic capture. This will capture your mic as well. And so we can go ahead and start broadcasting. There's also a canvas. So in case you're playing like tactical games, like RCS games, maybe you're playing Warhammer, what is it called? Total Warhammer 3. I'm having a brain fart, excuse me. But in case if you wanted to showcase some tactical maneuvering, you have that ability in your canvas. You'll be able to draw on the canvas, and there's also a grid overlay on there as well. Let's go ahead and start the broadcast. So we're going to click. It's funny enough, I am using OBS to be able to record this, but we're going to go ahead and go into the tab, and we're also going to share the system audio. And so right here, you can see that I am now currently broadcasting. I am broadcasting Dawn of War Soulstorm right here. And if we go, there is a AI algorithm that detects whether or not somebody's actually broadcasting a video game. There are specific features. So if somebody's broadcasting a video game, and it's a work in production, because sometimes it will actually end a stream, even though the video game is showing that it's a video game. But so like if somebody's broadcasting a browser tab, for instance, that's something that's not necessarily a video game, the AI is there to moderate and check whether or not it is a video game. If it isn't a video game, it will automatically end the broadcast. So as you can see here, here's the drawing feature. You could you could draw in there and stuff. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Clear that canvas and it's gone. And then there's also the Connect mic, which I am currently using OBS and the mic on OBS, so I'm not going to connect the mic on there, as well as there is a webcam overlay. The webcam overlay works perfect. It's solid. I'm currently in a tent. I don't have a shirt on. You know what? I will put the webcam overlay on. Just give me a second. Fair warning though. I'm letting you guys know. Fair warning. But as you can see here, the AI algorithm works just fine. And the in-game audio, if we go over here to the sound, I actually lowered everything just for practicality. But it does capture sound very well. And so, just to show you that the webcam actually works, we'll go over here to webcam overlay. And here I am. Hello, what's going on? Hey, webcam overlay. No way. So in case if you are streaming, here's my mic right here. In case if you are streaming and you wanted to show essentially who you are, you have that ability to do that. And so we're going to go ahead and end the stream over here. And when the stream is ended, everything shuts off and we are good to go from there. And so you have the opportunity to be able to restart a new stream. And if you choose not to, then that's totally up to you, but the option is there for you to be able to stream and stop streaming on the go. There's also a contact feature right here. So in case if there's any feedback that you'd love to share, bug reports and stuff like that. I mean, it's still a work in progress. Bear with me. I'm trying to get it built. It's not easy, but it's a lot easier than I would have hoped. So just bear with me in case if you find or encounter bugs. But I mean, it is a browser-based streaming platform that allows people to be able to broadcast their streams, their video games, without the worries and without the fears of hardware constraints. And that's the biggest challenge that I was dealing with, was hardware constraints. How can I be able to stream effectively without having to deal with low frame rate, having to deal with latency? This is a zero latency software. It is a zero install software, more importantly, so it's not necessarily as intrusive as other streaming applications. And it is zero latency. It is a spectacular system, and I'm very grateful that I'm very grateful that I have the ability to work on a system like this. And let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to hear you guys' feedback, and this is just one of the many videos probably of kind of like showcasing the world's first browser-based game streaming platform. But yeah, this is No Social, and I'm signing out. Peace.